Hi everyone, my name is Robin Lewis and welcome to another episode of Cool Tool Tuesday. Now, if you're someone who likes to use a router and in particular cut patterns with it, then you've no doubt come across this. These are a set of guide bushings. These ones particularly are from Milescraft. It's a new product that's come out and it's called the metal bushing set. Now, guide bearings aren't a particularly new product, but these are new from Milescraft, and it comes in a pack with 7 different sizes for you. Now, for those of you who aren't sure what a guide bushing is, it's very similar to a pattern bit for a router. It's got a very similar principle, except instead of having a bearing like you would on a pattern bit, it uses one of these metal tubes to run along your template. Essentially doing the same job, it just means that you can use any router bit to become a pattern bit. In the set, you get 7 differently sized tubes, so it can accommodate a wide range of router bits, and also means that you can set the distance between the pattern and the actual router bit. Okay, so let's get this thing open. Out of the box, you get this nice plastic carry case. You've got your 7 different guide bushings in there, labeled with the inside and outside diameter, and then this 8th piece over here, that is the lock nut, and that's what you use to attach it to your router base. If I open this up, I'll pull out one of the guide bushings and the lock nut, and you can see how these two screw together. That would go over your router base, one on either side, and that's how it locks in place. And now if I lift up the foam with all of the guide bushings, just underneath that is this piece, which is an adapter. So depending on the type of router that you have, this adapter may need to be used. And then finally, you've just got a little bit of an instruction manual. Now, the quality of the actual bushings feels really good. The thread between this and the lock nut is solid, so it feels like they've been made pretty well. And the fact that it comes in this box is quite nice. So it just sits in one spot in your workshop and they're all there whenever you need them. So if you want to pick yourself up a set of these metal bushings from Milescraft, there'll be a link to them on Timbercon's website in the description down below. And if you want to keep up to date with all of these cool tool videos that come out on a Tuesday, I'd like to encourage you to subscribe to this YouTube channel. My name is Robin Lewis. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.